they start this thing, they can eventually build to like, hey, now you got Toyota. There's a lot of sick ass Toyotas everywhere. They're just not in the place, you know. So it's like if you build that thing like global, you can just drive across the country, just go global. It's like why not have that to where we wait for it to get out Toyotas that drive across the country, just hit the street.
Hey, what's up guys? So this is a Streets of Willow track event with Team Topac, with Technocraft also. This run group is with the Technocraft group. All Toyotas, nothing else. Currently behind another A111. I believe it has a 2ZZ in it, but I'm not too sure. But I'm not here to talk about that. In the beginning, you saw Gio talking about his track day, what he wanted to accomplish, and what he wanted out of Technocraft. It's actually pretty good. He's a very good guy, trying his best. And I know it's just his first track day. There were some hiccups, but all in all, it was good. We had fun. But besides that, always with Team Topac. Last time I was at the track, it was with Team Topac also. It was for their founders' memorial drive, I guess. RIP Revo, miss you, man. But yeah, so all in all, this track day was fun. The best I've had with my Corolla. And with the new suspension, the new coilovers from Annex, and the new 4-link and panhard bar by Breeze Fab, and it is just magical. The suspension is top notch from what I can tell. I can't really give you another feedback with other brand for Corollas, because I've only had the ones prior to this, the coilover sleeves and the Megan rears. And I don't know how old those coilovers were. They were pretty much shot since the get-go, since I bought the car, and it was the worst suspension I've ever had. I can give you a comparison with these Annex compared to my Buddy Clubs in my FRS when I used to have it. And honestly, these are so much smoother and more predictable than the Buddy Clubs. These were the coilovers I wanted for a while. After following them since they started, honestly, if I still had my FRS, I probably would have them in my FRS, and I'm pretty sure they would have been way better than the Buddy Clubs that I had. The feel of it while driving at the track, even though I'm driving super slow, I'm not that fast in this car, and I'm still learning on it, it's smooth. I didn't have the greatest tires. I was running some 595 SS Federals, and they were slippery, but you can counteract what was happening, and I enjoyed it. It was honestly, it was one of the best times in a Corolla that I've had driving at the track, considering I don't drive this car on the street because of all the legalities of owning an older car in California. So this is basically a track car right now, and honestly, it's the best purchase I've done to this car by far. I did get to drive my brother's car. It's a Civic Type R. He has some modifications done to it with better tires. So I do know this track and it's very fun. Here's the run I did with my brother's car before we headed home. Hope you enjoy. See you guys on the next one.